technology, also referred to as MMOGs. Massively Multiplayer Online Games, or MMOG, is a multiplayer video game which is capable of supporting large number of players simultaneously. The number of players in these games typically range from 10 to even 10,000 at once. MMOGs are available on PCs, gaming consoles such as Xbox and PS3, and even mobile phones now. There are different types of MMOGs. They include role-playing games such as World of Warcraft, sports games such as Baseball Muggle Online, racing games such as Kart Rider, first-person shooter games such as Counter-Strike, real-time strategy games such as Dota, and even casual games like The Sims Online. Facts on MMOGs. 58% of all American households play video games in one form or another. On the average, there are 2 gamers inside each household. Each house has on average at least one dedicated PC or console or mobile phone dedicated to video gaming. The average age of a gamer is 32 in the US. And 55% of all gamers are male. The video gaming industry is a $20 billion one, with $14 billion spent on content development each year as of 2012. We shall now concentrate on role-playing games. These are network-based games which are the most popular and technology-intensive. War of Worldcraft hosts more than 12 million players worldwide. Hosting such a massive number of players has many problems. It requires huge servers for client services, including real-time responses and storage solutions. Game operation. Different sections of the games are split into different servers, which can be referred to as realms or worlds. These include PvP, player versus player, and PvE, player versus environment, and many others as a combination of these two. Realms can also be differentiated by language. Different worlds and realms can be differentiated by languages for different countries and different sections. This makes the game global. Different servers. Different servers split the load on the network of the game. They include login servers for logging into your game, chat/VoIP or voice over internet protocol servers for chat for player interaction, web server for account information and purchases for in-game, and game logic servers, which is the most important as it serves like the ALU in a CPU. Gameplay is mainly between world server and client. The game loop. The world server receives the player input, it processes the player input, it calculates the state changes, it applies state changes, and then it begins all over again. This is all happening simultaneously with millions of players inputting millions of commands all at once. This is why it is so technology intensive. Technicalities. Why do they require so much storage? Well, progress of each individual player needs to be independently tracked as they complete quests, they open levels, and the equipment they own as an individual player. Over 50 GB is used every 24 hours for one server, which needs to be programmatically referenced for fast access. Latency. Latency is another name for traffic delay. It is how long it takes information from your computer to travel all the way to the game server and vice versa. For example, a player might attack a monster and have to wait a few seconds before the monster responds. This is low latency, and in some cases, latency can significantly disrupt gameplay. Security. Hackers are inevitable. This is why most games use encryption in transmission of information. Spammers are also in games. They use bots to advertise for their products and also slow down gameplay in order to disrupt gameplay. Cheaters are also inevitable. This is why many games have in-game purchases to reduce cheating and also retain their code integrity. Thank you.